Hello and welcome back to the Out-of-Box Cloud tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating port forwarding for a Linux-based VM using the Out-of-Box Cloud portal. Let's get started. We are assuming that you already have a Linux VM with a public IP, SSH access to the VM. In this tutorial, we will transform your Linux VM into a web server. As you may know, web server works on HTTP protocol and HTTP traffic uses port 80. HTTPS traffic uses port 443. Now let's log into your Linux VM using SSH. Ensure the VM is up to date by running the commands. To make this VM a web server, we will use Apache and install the services as shown. And make sure the Apache 2 service is up and running as shown. By default, only SSH port number 22 is allowed and port forwarding is set in the virtual firewall. Traffic on other ports is blocked. To enable HTTP and HTTPS traffic, we will create firewall rules to allow port 80 and port 443. Then create port forwarding rules for these ports. Now configure the firewall. Open the VM Settings tab in the Out-of-Box Cloud portal. Navigate to Firewall and click Manage. Then go to Firewall. Click Add a firewall rule and fill in these details. CIDR number 0.0.0.0/0. I mean to allow access from anywhere in the internet to this VM. Protocol. Select TCP. Start port and end port. Enter 443 for HTTPS. Click Add Firewall Rule. Perform the same process for HTTP. Set Start port and end port as 80. Click Add Firewall Rule. Now, the firewall is configured to allow traffic on ports 80 and 443. Let's set up port forwarding. You can just navigate to the port forwarding section in the portal. Click Add Rule and provide the following details. Private port 80, public port 80. Select an appropriate protocol. Select your VM from the drop-down. Click Submit. Once the port forwarding rule is created, perform the same process for HTTPS using port 443 for both private and public port fields. As we can see, the port forwarding is done successfully. To verify the configuration, open a web browser and enter your VM's public IP. You should see the default Apache server page if everything is configured correctly. Important notes: each application runs on specific port numbers. Ensure that you add the required port numbers to the firewall. Set up proper port forwarding rules. Congratulations! You've successfully set up port forwarding and transformed your Linux VM into a web server. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.